Did you know a hurricane can crash the Jamaican dollar?
Are you serious?
Let me break it down real quick. Every time a hurricane hits Jamaica, especially a category 4 or 5 storm, our economy takes a blow. Farming, tourism, two of our biggest money makers, get wrecked. No export, no US dollar coming in, less foreign exchange. When fewer US dollars are available, the Jamaican dollar loses value fast. Investors get nervous, they start pulling money out the stock market. Stocks drop, especially in agriculture, manufacturing, and even banks. Companies expect losses, and foreign investors take their money elsewhere. Meanwhile, the government has to spend more fixing roads, giving aid, which can increase national debt and cause inflation. So one storm can shake the dollar, the stock market, and the entire economy. So next time you hear storm coming, just know it's not just rain, it's money lost too. Subscribe for more powerful breakdowns.